put it into perspective here. Alright. Yeah, that's what I love that part, that can. It's so awesome. And so this is Herb, and this is my show today, and I just wanted to show you what an angle 90 cam sounds like on a 1600 dual port. So that's what it sounds like after spending last week rebuilding this engine and installing it in there. So I hope that you can enjoy it and try it yourself sometime. I mean, a cam adds a little bit of performance. That's pretty much it. That's pretty cool, eh? It's an angle, I think it's a 90 or a 100 or 110 or something like that. It's one of the smaller ones. Yeah. Oh, shoot out of gas. And that's the end of the video. Well, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe below. And this is my 1969 Volkswagen bus. And peace, and have a great day.